two champs in here, and they hold down the boxing club for Ibn Ali Boxing Club. All right, ready?
We have many, many more.
Bayer.
Our future right here.
Raise your hand. Okay,
Bayer.
okay.
Beyond.
And DeAndre. All right, let's make it happen. We
Right
got
there,
two
let's
champs.
do it right there.
DeAndre, you ready? All right, we're gonna do them correct, right?
Yep.
We got champs in here. All right, we got two big champs. Ready? Begin.
One,
Jump, jump.
two,
There you go.
three,
Champs in the house.
4, 5, 6, 7,
On the move.
8,
That's right.
9,
Come on.
10, 11,
That's right.
Catch
Do it together.
up with it.
13,
Catch up with it.
14, 15,
Work with the young brothers, getting them together.
18, 19, 20, 21,
There you go, baby.
22,
There you go. Work it, man. Work.
24,
Looking good.
25,
That's right.
26, 27, 28,
That's right.
29,
Uh-huh.
30,
Okay.
31,
Come on, touch the toes. There you go.
32,
Looking good.
34,
Jump. There you go.
35, 36, 37, 38,
Come on.
39, 40,
That's right.
41,
Work.
42,
Work.
43, 44,
Can't stand the heat, stay out the kitchen. That's what they used to say.
46,
But
47,
right now you here to stay.
48,
Work.
49,
Come on.
50,
Good. Ready? On the move. Let's make it happen. How many?
50,
How many?
50,
Now get on. Come on, let me see it. Ready? Begin.
1, 2,
Do it right.
2, 4, no, 4, this,
Time. Let's do it right.
Take it run, take your time.
They,
exactly,
Bayer. How to do it, Bayer?
it's like 1, 2,
Okay.
3,
That's right. That's right. Then let me show you. Let me see how you do it.
1, 2,
Okay.
Keep them hands up.
3,
There you go. Oh, I like that. Let's see how that hand is. See how the hand is.
It's like he's slipping too.
See how the hand
He
is.
told him that.
Hands
He go-
up.
He come back.
Okay, that's what I'm talking about. Let's make it happen. And I need 25. Ready? 25. Ready?
Open
All right, give me 50. Give me 50. I like that. I like you correct me. All right, yeah. All right, ready? Begin.
1,
Come all the way
2,
up.
3, 4, 5,
Good, take your time. Catch up.
7, 8,
Go up.
That's right. Get that bend.
9,
Learn how to bend.
10,
That's right.
11,
No, you're doing it wrong, young man.
12,
Keep it going. Keep it going.
13,
I don't hear you.
14,
Okay.
15, 16,
Okay.
17, 18,
Okay.
19,
Good.
20,
Pull them hands back
21,
up.
22,
I knew you knew. Come on, do it right. Come on, you knew.
24,
Touch. That's right, Ben. That's right. Get used to it now.
Good. Come back up.
First, stay here. I like that.
You catch up.
First, stay here.
Go.
3,
Now this hand.
4,
That's what I'm talking about.
5,
Okay.
6,
Keep them hands up. That's right.
7,
Keep them hands to your face.
8,
Keep their hands to your face.
9,
Keep them hands to your face.
10,
Come up and down.
22,
Come on.
13,
I like that.
14, 15,
Hands up, man.
16, 17, 18, 19,
Okay.
Good.
20,
Good.
21, 22, 23, 24, 50.
Good. That's what I want. 25, 25. Well, both hands. All right, next exercise. What's the next one?